straight away. Today we'll go into the presentation. So this is a disclaimer, and these are products. We do not waste your time, so you can have a look at it later. So this also you can do it. Thank you. And with this, we'll straight today slight difference. We'll though it's a pre-market, post-market, and a one-day match kind of a thing. Like we speak about futures, option, etc. But the real game is actually paid by the investors, and then now the Indian investor who are coming into the stock markets in terms of SIP. So here the information and the financial awareness what we want to create is the SIP angle will be a best angle, so you don't have to worry about timing the market. And doing the SIP in good company, that's the best strategy. So yesterday, in fact, we told about this HDFC Bank story. So today we want to add it up with an ETF. HDFC is an extremely good bank, and it has got a 20 years history of doing the good performance. But the thing, at some point, some stocks may go bad in terms of, like, even a good company, when a bad CEO comes in, a bad management comes in, so it can become a bad company, and slowly it will stop performing in a good quality way. And if the board has got the power and the board has got the willingness, they will chuck off the CEO and then put the company back in the right track. So why I'm telling this story is to overcome all these things. Sometimes whatever has to happen, let it happen. So apart from selecting the good quality stocks, this is called as the ETF, which is the exchange traded fund. So we'll put a detailed video about that. But in this, the amount of malpractice or the fraudulent things which can be done is very, very minimal compared to the individual companies. So this also you consider it, like you give more importance, like stocks you go more importance than mutual fund, and then this one you give even more importance than a good quality company. Okay, so in this way, even within the equity you are significantly diversifying. So, and this one, if you see here, it has given the same history. In fact, I didn't change this number at all. It's kind of completely copy paste. So 20x in 20 years. So this guy also, like, almost from 10-20 rupees, it has gone up to 2220, and now it is it reflects the Nifty. So the Nifty is somewhere around 70,000. So it will be having a little bit premium, and it is divided by 10. That is why it is showing 180. There are some other ETFs which reflect the same numbers also. So that doesn't matter. Everything is normalized. This is coming from the Nifty Bs. Now, earlier little bit Goldman Sachs was there. Now it has been managed by the Nippon. So these are all the other kind of informations. But we, as I told, we will give you a detailed video. But here, to cheat the retail investors, even if they want, they cannot, at least 99.9%. So that's the take home message, and this is a long term story. And then with this, let's go to the one day match. Okay, so what this is what we did yesterday, and did we give this? I will show you it. And today we are not going to review the stocks, but we will in the Twitter give few stocks for not for intraday, but intra-week trading we will give you. So let's see how it goes. So now how the Nifty is going to open. So it is flattish, similar to yesterday. So why it is flattish? So let's have a look. So to start with, this is the call which options call which we gave. So, and it did have a little amount of success. So like low value we want to give, and then in that low value you have to get in and get out. Did you get in and get out? Yeah, it was possible. So you can check it out there. So, and then this is about today's market. And then in fact Nasdaq is well above, but our market is flattish because the big guys, Nikkei, is having a flattish kind of a thing. So similarly today what we have to do, we have to pick up our own call at 10:30. Okay, so this is how the options players have to play. So please have a look at this one. And then the Nasdaq, from the bottom it has come up. Something it may happen for us also, but will it happen? Let's have a look. And this is the day projection for the Nifty. So if you could see here, it's in the on a day basis, it's still in the uptrend. But if you could see here, this is the 120-day moving average. So it is hitting here. So it can show some resistance, and it can pull back today or else next week. So and anyhow, the market has, like in a downtrend market has already performed for 10 to 12 sessions on the upper side. Okay, so you have to be very careful and see the trajectory how it goes Monday or Tuesday, and then take it from there. So probably so if you could see here on a weekly basis, you can project what will happen for the next 1 month. So yeah, so it is around the resistance here. So it can go up further another 500 points or 300 points. So that is possible, but it can also come down. So this is what the analyst will say. So here, if it goes up, it goes till here, 17,900. If it falls, it's going to fall somewhere around, it's 15,200. So that's a very bad fall it is going to be, but it's all dependent on the US market. So how it performs, let's watch out. But we are also in the technical resistance phase. Whether it breaches or not, that we'll come to know Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so this is the usual comment. So what should the call buyers do? So the short buyers can do anything anytime. Okay, that's the easiest trade to make. The call buyers, you have to wait, and then you have to watch it at 10:30, 11:30, and if possible enter the market buying around 1 o'clock. So that would be the best strategy, because why I'm saying is the market is showing little bit of tiredness, because if it is a 1 hour, if you see the MACD has cut, so which means it is tired and it may come down today itself. Okay, so it will come down, it will show it at 1 o'clock. So when it comes down, you can go and buy the put calls. Okay, so this is about the Nifty, and almost similar thing will apply to the bank Nifty. So I don't want to waste the viewers time such that for some other people it will be like annoying. So the entire postmortem is kind of a 3+3. So at any given point, people can stop it. So with this, we'll catch you tomorrow. Thank you very much.